resolder it. Some of the tools that I'm going to use. Okay, so now I turn on the MagneGas 2. Back at the table, I'm gonna take this fitting off right here. You gotta hear it. So this is MagneGas 2 running out of my propane torch that I customized with metal tape, and I poked small pinholes in there because MagneGas 2 uses a lot less oxygen than propane, so the air holes have to be smaller. And I got a pretty good flame. I mean, you know, probably could be better, but it looks pretty blue. And I can see solder popping out of this, so watch, I'm going to take this off, and voila, that's it. And I've got to go get the pipe cutter because I made a mistake. I'm going to cut this and then resolder this on here. And I didn't need this the addition piece here. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so basically I want this to be about this length, so I'm going to cut it about there. Okay, cut it. Same thing as before, shine it up. Okay, that's pretty good. Then I'm going to shine up this. I mean, it's looking shiny, but I'm going to just wire brush it with a 1/2 inch. Okay, that's clean, so I take my water-based acid flux and again paint it on the inside of the fitting. And then on the pipe. And connect them. Okay, and then I was told today by my friend Bill to wipe off the flux so that the solder doesn't follow it and it looks nicer. Okay, so we're going to try that. Okay. MagneGas. Alright, here's the solder. Let's see. That thing's up too much. I'm going to turn it down a little. Yeah. turn the pipe to get some nice even heat. And the fitting, I think it's brass or it's heavy copper. There's more mass to it, so you want to heat the heavier fitting a little more than the pipe. That way this solder gets sucked in. Okay, good, I'm in luck. So I've got this working, and notice how the flame kind of goes up a little bit like the MagneGas flame does too. But this is propane. I'm going to try this with the MagneGas later. So notice how there's no tape on these holes. See how the flame gets more orange, and then when I give it more oxygen, it gets more blue. There's obviously, you know, it's not the perfect flame, but it's going to work. Okay, that's it installed. I just have to solder right there. Okay, that's it soldered. It doesn't look beautiful, but hopefully it'll work. It's always a little tricky when you're going upside down. I kind of like using MagneGas better, but we'll see. And the main thing is we want to see if this MagneGas joint holds, and if this one holds as well. Hopefully I did them right. And well, let's see what happens. Okay, moment of truth. It looks like it's not leaking at all. I opened the valve downstairs.